in near drink or they are dumb, ammonia smart, etc.
Yeah.
Now we have big men in the industry.
A good pass or
gym, and going to the gym. We don't go to the gym say
the basa.
We go to the gym for various reasons. People go to the gym for rehab. Physiotherapy, a form of exercise, a form of healing.
Yeah.
And people go to lose weight. People go for various reasons.
Yeah.
And we all do this for passion, for the sake of passion and how we feel. Because you're feeling healthy, you're living healthy. So gym, you're called the same gym.
And when you come to the gym, you see responsible men.
Exactly.
I mean, people who are doing so well in the ministries or more private sector. I mean, a whole lot of people are who are say responsible people. Oh, now treating your pum kakra. Now, I'm for Sujan. Doing Zibia and Kofu in Mudi. Jamamudi, you may be dinner more and see who be there.
Victor is a perfect example. He's actually the youngest person who has won the strongest man competition.
Wow.
And he's a graduate of tech, Ken USC. I'm sure you can speak to him as well so that he.
All right, but now you're moving on to, because of time. Their event no ebebaso. Then
okay, events in Ebebaso 28th of November.
28th November.
28th of November.
Okay.
Our fit trip. Our Jolu.
On the on the N1 yeah. Okay.
And we are. It's a championship, and this is where we are trying to tell people say, I want to know win the
year. Fabeya Adiam for Sobe. Okay, maybe also 28th November no at that time.
3 p.m.
3 p.m.
Yeah.
All right. It's a war different categories of friends saying. Challenge amount for bit me be almost lift weight almost okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, it's more like a powerlifting championship.
Okay.
So they are going to do bench press, squats,
left for peace,
etc. Yeah.
All right, Auntie, is it open to Obia or lift weight be a bodybuilder be or baby or get to gyms now baby.
Nti adia here say because time in share than you.
Yeah.
So last 4 years, the area say you call various communities and you call I mean as part of the campaign you call your name nkofone kokasa and small competitions and selected champions.
Bar for the final one.
Exactly. But see the time in you until the area say you selected the most strongest people in Ghana, from various communities, to also come and then have their following to spread the word as well. Yeah.
All right. Okay. So contact number be on here. Now Victor Flexomos Rika Kana amount for share on live on Facebook. Jack, Mocho. Oh, that crowd that show on Saturday so be say. Victor on Saturday so be say. James Stadio goes and Nisano so chain is say. And you Charlie Fatus Jack Mon join you on Facebook. Now Mon share on my body no more than say you. Victor sorry kakra ready. Victor sorry kakra ready. Sorry I'm ready. Wow. Charlie. When I'm sorry I'm share my office and I'm join I'm say Nigeria mon body. And if you meet Jude War Jim no work out now show wait no partner sometimes we am to I'm join I'm say make I pick the small one then go. All right, so challenge me Adom 1 on the 28th of November no. Yeah be pass it through near ba be hwe say dey contact number be o amount for per say o mo contact mo na ye fan sorry so
0559 85 75 65.
Patrol repeat my
0559 85 75 65. And we are your social media, so Instagram FitZoneGH.
Okay.
And the Facebook and so and I'm a person make us say you hear MYB sponsorship.
Yeah.
Most of these things, because corporates Ghana and respecting bodybuilders into among person best sponsor fresh
Charlie corporate Ghana among sponsor why now they are in for something good why now be behind fine today yeah because wana I can want someone from now until the day of the event they do on so I pass it through near said ebisi akonso afa timwa ya de pa nyame hia mo se mo di we asimoni so na mo ye na ye beta mo chine bibia koye eda ma se pa se on buy all right abusia that's what it is iti nyame ya Adom on the 28th of November no ebe koso we fit trip 3 p.m. sharp na left for peace de ho akwa kwhye bi ni ahre se de besi akwafa Erika catch him say Friday de bibia atimi si o show no so Jack AC no mo adjust temperature right now I'm on fire baby And today happens to be my kid brother's birthday. Yeah, some of young men, and then the birthday. Iki or bravo. Quite doing a Misha. The way our girls and man fans were Instagram no. We posting the picture on Instagram. Girls in Kwan and man fans was I said more. Way. Till now, I shut down him girlfriends. So girls know. A patron, Coco expert. Wow, we have beautiful skin. So I cocoa, so you to said you Tibia. The Bema already and I have a pan. Coco expert. When a cocoa no more power, the amount of skin is soft, is smooth, looking fresh all the time. Now, it's I say. Why vitamin E near the omutino, a bois restore sign rejuvenate you dry skin, but I say keep your skin healthy, come up, now protecting from the sun rays as well. So wonderful skincare products, you want lotion and you want cream. Nah, they are available at cosmetic shops across the country. Coco Expert restores your natural skin. I feel fast day on my food lovers special fragrant rice. And more there, yep. We a special long green rice. Ye crap perfect level of perfume. It's the Janso Sunday to baby. I know beyond some part. Ye no one be. Nemona and one is red. It's a patch or rice meal now prepare no. Sebeye de. Very delicious part. Yeah. There's out to me a day food lover special fragrant rice. Yeah, but not any usual or regular rice. What I say, food lover special fragrant rice. Available at our shops and stores and supermarkets. I don't need now emo. Hey, here we go now, Here we go now. Here we go now, my guy. Dr. Frank say. Time Dr. Duncan if you are doing for your man be cause high level. Obana boys na rap no ba no better. Or the instrument I should one on one cause here we go now. Here we go. Or the here we go now so no business. Oh my. Anyways, yeah, baby didn't come on. Now, and come on, now, yeah, baby dino. In fact, when I heard about it, I was like, oh, yo, Anka companies now, to sana mo webia, Anka nyane say, yeah, bro, you, Anka bibia beko ye, kama, pa. Now, the woman now say, now, one day, yeah, COVID-19, and your how be brain a buy. The air pressure be brave about most of the companies I work with so individuals amount for businesses near there and for lose some jobs near almost shed the you more difficult because those companies were not performing well near there just not a hard rate. Now what's your company back what? Then see some cool you on Ujana now support here and address of Bebuan Crofwa. Now a Guinness Ghana Breweries Limited. na nkrofo bo modern atimi pompe 2 million Ghana cedis edi ru amu de manfo ne ade a meka say eguso koso ya manfo di instant airtime ne ade bebre na ene awie yi epese etim kakra na yenya mu nkyiremu kosi ase pa ne santi Mr. Emmanuel Edupoku ya oye area sales manager Edma Guinness Ghana ewa ha me ne ba betwetwe komo na wotimi bi nsem na nisu a kire na Ghana for ya te ho ase yi pa Edupoku akwaba
ya minia
na emponu muti say
nyame adom
nyame ase
coronavirus entimi nkunye
na just asida na be nyame yes no now eba ne sign na Guinness for Mosan kofa sa link up jumedi asan edi abai
minia meda wase edikan ebeka se Guinness Ghana adwumakuo no ye fra ye ho obatampa so ye hu ye customers any trading ni say we are their true partners.
Wow.
Entino yare corona no eba ye ne hu ni ye say na adofo ntimi nhyiahia wo ba St. Germany ye yi a ye ntimi nhia enye ye amanfo tumi ento bedin it we beka say we went to the new normal adwuma 70 bibia no was through Zoom any ade it is enka efiada aso se enei se yankofo ebe hyiehia mu wo pubs any ade Germany no ye hu ni ye say yare anything go phone ntimi nhia sa about 5 months ago ye hu say abane den hye etoto wo se hwe na nipa MP yenye social distancing yenye nose masks any ade but abra yapomudinfo ebo omoden ama eso yare na no ayeba fom no Guinness Ghana Limited abanye say easy restrictions no ezan say we pride ourselves to be true partners in tino ye discover Ghana city 10 million cedis eso ye customers in bebre asene ezan say ba sa na lockdown ba amanfo nya adwuma bebre na lose some working capital through the yenyimbo many ye rise up campaign ye the say can say customers in enyina ase na achie ne yesa adwen ho say consumers anywhere customers no so anywhere
at all
it na o see ye bibi me ye consumers eti anu nti ne yesa de sa Ghana city 2 million no e de say ye consumers ase so wa akoton sana nom no de otoye na nyane de dia wa akoton anom no e o see asu ye bibi ma anu nti ne de sa link up no aba beyond the yenyimbo ne ye rise up campaign no anu nti ne yesa de link up no aba biem no say na anu etwa mu no say wantimi ankohia wala pass wantimi ankohia wo su someone show we is lego ntimi anom sa anka cheers anje money dia afi ne the link up number ye discuss creation mu aboa ye consumers
vibe no ye emu ye pa ne mom ye hwa de ba ko unse abani say ye de na amafo betu agumu no obi e hwe say o chale ma me nkono bi na me so menya bi ni ade anye bi akwan ben na mo fast wa ensure the safety of the people omo call various bars ne pubs ne ade still you are yare eyes or tete kwan chen
onko ye no correct eza se medika ka say ye adwuma ko bi a ye dwen ye customers ho ye dwen ye consumers ho so as well edika no be see ye discover Ghana city 10 million eso ye customers asene beyond that no ade a friend of Veronica buckets ebeya de fofra ko ba bi o so hu no ye distribute over 6,000 Veronica buckets across the nation say baby bia ba bia wo bia no ba sakese ni nyina no obekọ ya ma obi a Veronica bucket ye hwe say amanfo be wohoro mo nsa afei no ye started the campaign be on awareness on COVID-19 IAA posters we partnered with the Ghana Health Service Promotion Division yes so omna sene ema omo de sa efutuo ene sa education eko around enti me no ka say ni sa posters ni nyina ewo ho ye sales reps no so eguso anam shebas ni nkran so omomomodian say ometimi edi social distancing so ena so obi nhuro ne nsa so ama ne nwura ba anim ena so obi so nhye nose mask no so a ema ne nwura mu eti ele sa kwan ni nyina no ana sa anoma ni nyina na toto akwan mu enti ukoba bia na Guinness Ghana Limited yenko ande ye che over 6,000 Veronica bucket ye hwese ye bebo aban no na sa hand washing and social distancing na all can no ye simokena se de be ya de okonom sa no onko fa yare embefie
okay now ye hwe yenim say Guinness for nye sorry products back na more different beverages amode ema general public no consumers no energy ni na ho so pa na anye bia emu de wen na mo select amode ba be ye sa link up e de amomanfo
yo mini ameda se obi beka se brodi beka se we ye link up to 01 and that's a part 2
okay
the edi kan no ye de anuafo miensa na ye eye Guinness opemu na nkasa ye friend foreign extra stout no ye de origin e kan ho any ABC na afi no ya trem ye de ko ensa ahodo enson
wow
it ye de Guinness root Guinness root yensa de nipa ofu so ntimi num Guinness no ono be num Guinness root e ma ne pepa ye ukolego na say ma na tu atre say ye ni ana ya de Smirnoff pineapple punch eno so ye Smirnoff ice nua ba kwa ye de pineapple aye bi nua e de pa ye eno so ma no ensi ne form ana ya de golda because say golda de e for true men ya de golda so aka ho ana ya nkasa ye star beer aye dim no ya de aka ho enti no afi no you move ahead.
That is 7 beverages.
That is 7 beverages or 7 brands.
Do you know sano? Some me toss 7 in na sana matimi anya achede bia na say.
Minu there be. Ye can say to emu bia miensa.
Okay.
Say before say Guinness na me pena me to miensa.
No I don't know.
Kan kok na se no. Na ma na ho no say me bo a. E costa 1000 star. Na me bo me unique number plus hash a. Me bo no 3 times a edem 5 Ghana cedi.
Wow.
Guinness for their chow.
Wow.
So fire airtime and I fire video call. The fresh child of 4 baby awo. It a unya so beto 7 ni nyina. Emu bia mi ensem bia beto bia no. You stand the chance of entering at the instant.
Okay, enti meye den na mahu say de me toyi mi ensa we amatoyi de promotion e ka ho ni bia.
Eti dia ene say ye dware no ahosuo foforo.
Oh okay.
It is ansa ye de ye promotion ni no. Sansan 7 na amaboyi no okoba bia ma obo senitin ya ne kokko
okay
and na krata na ebo ho no so no see the link up adwira ensa no ho ye fra no toma
tunya hu link up ne
be say we from the limited edition bottles and our special edition bottles
okay
I don't know ya said aye it is a unia no okoba anima say Guinness na auto say origin auto say ABC say Guinness smooth say Smirnoff pineapple punch say you go the next time na opedia hwehwe de ni ti kokko no eno ena sa unique code no wa ase a ye de yes link up
eni muye na ya hwe ti se minya ye ne sa ne wie na anye bia deadline bi ho to redeem my price no ana once amanya twatum ni de no
o ba cho wanya twatum de no ano no deadline bi ani ho but boni beka say until stock lasts
okay
anti the promotion ye nya kosi afina wieye ya said I produce this limited edition bottles for certain short duration
say eno sound system no bia
na system ni ma ya be sa betra adom ha ya akacha amanfo nyina se ya wie
okay
eno sound system ni ma ya ba betra adom ha ya akacha amanfo se ya wie it is a wonum sanene na afu se ene kakra bo ni so who are you hu nyama ni ya o de fa kran kokko no to e kina so sa ato na wunya mienu ne ka ma ne kwaya miensa betimi abo wunya so be fo so obenum sanabo ni nyina ne
metiti to say ade no be no credit na airtime no MTN ko MTN sana nkofo kan ba to cheche honum kakra
no kwasem no say MTN ko ye nhwemu kakra na onu mienu bedi ho adanse say e be say can network ba tan a eso e wo Omega na mu a
mo subscribers no doso
no eno ne MTN na ne empese e be in such a way say embre bi atwam no dwumako awdo bebra ye sa anema ne bi a obufu say we are giving people undue advantage. It's as a network ni bi wo wa entre enko ba bia. But yenim say MTN dey everywhere you go. Ghana mu enkrase ne ba bia no.
And na promo we no nationwide.
And we also nationwide. It is said that be rich na boni be ka say coverage no. Ye betimi ya reach obia. Na obia timi anya ne chefa wo munti no. Eno nti ne fa MTN. Say ye dey yes adwumadi.
Yeah, the value of the airtime na Guinness dey mame no. Anya bia sa CST taxi beba betia fimu na say we dey ohu so unya bo unique code no e costa 1000 star na wo bo unique code na wo kran kokko na say hash e to aso
wo bo miensa na 5 Ghana cedi tew taxi bi anka ho ni nyina ye wanka sa wo dia
straight na 5
Ghana kan so unyanya fire video call and afa fra unia na mo link up na mo share na mo wensa
anya bia no restrictions bi ho say bia na metena asi matimi adwa 3 bottles ama manya ntimi me dia ye tie na me yes nka me koda na me say share boys no so ejinemu ha ba bi dienko ye cause me tie ya na ho so no me san nya miensa eno so metimi to aso ana limitations bi
menua utimi to aso na you can be responsible drinking. It is already Guinness Ghana. You advertise now. You can say not to be sold to persons under 18 years and drink responsibly. You know, far restrictions beyond so. But idea you say empty and force so and they are into partnership or monitor.
Oh, okay.
It you also about for and a joke will enter more than necessary. Your man can say to be cut no. I say idea here and say your consumers and your customers no. You go back safe and come back safe.
Fine pa.
As I said, one now more damn no say
times out for mo because obi say kwesi mo afu say boy ni nya hu Guinness sa na say hu da ho sa
o man too crazy
to obi say one restricting the bar ever how do party pass someone is up.
Yeah, people should drink responsibly.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, and he said what he can I just say we no yen shut then ni time say we na time we swan the end of the promotion no just say stock no and a limited edition of SR system one. All right, that's cool. It's in patrol if there's any other EBR person what they can and I answer.
Oh, and you know, my final words to consumers in the imagine Guinness Ghana, a Juma bad time kuno anemu, other your customers in your consumers in ase. Now a biosuno, you better catch them say a real coronavirus no. They said you di kaka you know, a call as well the 10 kwanche here. You better say customers in your consumers so much. So okoba nima bomodin say you observe all the safety protocols.
Okay.
Edika bomodin so ba ro nsa. Bomodin say o kono say nose mask. Na bomodin say o tina ba nimu a just keep a bit of social distancing. And I say ura ba nimu a ade e koso wa adwen mu nyina no hwehwe nsa na ne ti kokko no. Sa won ka hwe kura no nya rura ma no hwehwe nsa na ne ti kokko no. Na oto nsa na ne ti kokko na krankoko no unya mu miensa ento ntwene. Bomodian say ubabo sa code number na e wa ase no akọ short code *1000*. Ne boss a unique number na anya ne hash. Obom yensa na odam 5 Ghana cedi. Ye de achew. De aka nyina ne say sa 5 Ghana cedis no fa frɛ adofo ena mi wo su ene frama sama sham wo East Legon ena yenhia o manprobi ena yenhia wa adenta na ye rensa eno ana ye kire. It ye be say people should drink responsibly.
All right.
And as a wound 18 years the question they say onka ho o your pin for so yensa no onka ho intino enko for enya hweye. We love our customers and we want them back safe.
All right, yabada ase japoku ne nchemu ade aman we de mu da fine pa e da se ti se de o kan no se bre no so na se ibi aba so na ye be san hwe anim na waba no abebo akira ma atifu na so ate ye da ase pa
Adom FM yes ye da ase pa.
All right. So that was Mr. Emmanuel Edupoku, your area sales manager, Edema Guinness Ghana, and Waboy in Chimui. Emuda 23 minutes on the downside of 106.3 Adom FM. Now, when him say Adriani Ayedi, ye say a ben make a kekwa. What I say, I can't go and go to me as a baby, and now a bomana crow baby. But would the Sabaya? Ubetimi anya aduane na wudie no eso emfaso na eye enuane nro ye wo sa aduane num no eno so won satimi aka nyina na aboa wo na won pomuden won nsam no atimi akoyi na asan ama wo ho ayeden na so mpempi na ya na ye nuane ahodo a ye die no sa ya ahodin nro yi ya na eye limited kakra sa na nhya da nim papa sa enu ti ne ye de obasima seal aba the Obasima seal. Epacho Obasima seal eya de a efi AGI and a Ghana Standards Authority for na ye place no on food products. Enti food products na woto no I am making sure say ewo eye the Obasima seal no ewo so. So unya hu say Obasima seal no so dia na just say food products no 18 essential vitamins and minerals. Yeah, no betimi abo ama hu pomude hu nsem no akonkan. So always make the point. So beto enuane a what the Obasima seal. Obasima very good buy especially ma. Nanso no the whole family ni na wodi di na say unya de Obasima seal no eka ho na eno ebo ayi pa. So choose Obasima. stay healthy and stay strong. That's what it is. All right, so the old say baby adu about betie asemo a yedi to hofo. But before we do that, quickly, my attention has been drawn to Obia Neba Edin birthday on Facebook. Omo joining live on Facebook, no. Your friend on Nana Ekuya Boahima. Now I say, Jerry, please kindly wish my son Gerald Romeo Ofori Dankwa a happy birthday for me. May all the blessings in the Bible be his portion. And the ultimate one is that in life from her mom, Nana Ekuya. All right, so Nana Obano Edawase pa. Ya na watch na my so. All right, so Abusia, the woman say baby eduno. Obet me journey live on Facebook. I have Asase Aban in the studios. Ibi a no. Na no dey an ye o do ni Asase Aban. But as with me home, what I say, today, but more than I join you live on Facebook is here. Next when you saw there. Now, you know, Asase Aban about better train come on. And Sana, you know, a better train come on. Just like I do to for a bashu is no. Time was soon, I say it as some way to your home for. But, and then, Asase Aban, me no be my futu. So under 2 minutes, a dear some no me bet me a come with your boom. No more dear Magana phone na say you phone to your home for an area a will feel consumedi so.
Ofie Kwanso with the man Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
All right, so ansane ebema Asase Aban akwaba no. Ye fasa akonya yi mom na omo ema ye futu under 2 minutes na fe ye to adwumadi no so. Ghana 40 mu.
Ya chia etifo nyina.
Etifo jimuso.
Asase Aban futu a ye de be ma youth no any Ghana fo nyina ne se. Unye sika bomodian ne siebi. Because we are talking with experience.
Okay.
Unye sika bomodian ne siebi ni tietia no.
Wow. Ghana fo Asase Aban akasa. Almost say a futu omo de man ewie ni se unye sika bomodian ne siebi. Na de omo kan from omo experience. Any akoba ni say na eche ye di nkomo na ebeba mu ahwe. Se tamo muzizo Asase Aban ba bia befo bia Asase Aban be say cash ne buy no on blow time. I'm sure someone say ti no mutu ye fo no. Eti patro men tra na ntie ni kekesa. Fa asem no na fa ya adwuma. Very very important, very necessary pa. Cash bound sem asie bidio save bi uni much na asem. You don't want to pay for this one. We will come back to them now. You know more Eddie and come to no ashes. But for now, you fast that can say my proud sponsors on boy and my debut Tenassia. You Timmy to your home. I will feel quadruple so Adom 106.3 FM. And we MTN also pause and chill promo no. Remember, you need to end points. Now, and once because we our favorite mashup bundles no on *567#, and I feel on the MTN Pulse app no also. And you stand a chance of being one of many winners. I'll bet me winning up to 5,000 Ghana cedis. I feel food and shopping vouchers and lots of data. Yeah, a share say from the 1st of October, Nyame Adma on the 30th of November. And so keep mashing up to win large. MTN Pulse, just be. We're there for you everywhere you go. Terms and conditions apply. I say mobile phone for Power Town. Yeah, Techno for Dama, no Marco for Diaba. Your friend, Techno Camon 16. Na phone no, what you say your phone, papa. Na your mano 48 MP dual camera. And I sign a 64 MP ultra quad camera. Now, we treat our selfie CB near the idea to a picture of what channel. FHN one can only put the crowd on what I say, phone a correct papa. And with massive 6.9 inch full HD screen with dual dot-in display camera attached to the account. Come up, and now your channel mega 128 gig ROM plus 8 gig RAM for your favorite apps, movies, and games. na che say oni problem kra we ni phone a eboa I take you to the next level the bomodi ama on san count there Efi all techno accredited shops nationwide and you get for yourself 12 gig Vodafone data 100 days screen warranty and other amazing freebies. Yeah, they are also attached here. So don't get left behind. We on to the next level with the new Techno Camon 16. As they do from Cindy Rice, Eddie 20 years. They sent you so I celebrating a 20th anniversary. And until the obey and they loyal customers, the consumers need now. Yeah, more much yeah, a range from washing machines to LED TVs. To sound systems, microwave ovens, refrigerators, smartphones, blenders, rice cookers, gas cylinders, gas cookers, and so much more. What the answer say? Top 5 kg bag of Cindy rice. What I say? Utiano na shimua. The baby baby it is yours. It shall say from the 1st of October, Nyame Adom on the 31st of December, and I also be and to Saka tickets no insider. Now about what they call any of our depots, yeah, war, yeah, or my fana baby, now says selected wholesale outlets no nationwide. Now I J, a year also watch it, Eddie and few more. Celebrate 20 years of Cindy Rice, continue to enjoy Cindy Rice, and win big. Cindy Rice, sweet aroma, great taste. As they do, with him that live strong with iron. It's said there, and one iron in Riani, and then. A quite your bit me fast now iron deficiency anemia what you are free assistant no and it say obeshe no the iron rich foods bibi say contumely alefu bokoboko egushi afi red meat fish eggs and iron fortified foods unya iron fortified cube spices nibia for big go aduam nidi na be boa ye pa live strong with iron is as aduane there and no any iron enuane afi ya faster ema Serene Insurance also say bomodia na ebra na eni ensinkunu na ehwe mo a betimi dia bo abrabo ya ye bokọ yanimu unim de da wanim unim de betimi asi ochina eti se koba no say na de se o ya ne se ope eye insurance company papa na do ho akodom no eti atorenche bi na beba na kwanhie bi na beba na san bi na beba bi san wo bibi ebesi bia no na mo atimi aso mu agina ho biem se be na wonka wanam e wa abrabo no mu eno nti any of our offices branches ni nyina mu no de bra na any meeting common ehwem wa ebetimi e de aboa so Serene Insurance, the new face of insurance. Finally, your first idea ma in boost herbal mixture we eye drosron kwa e bo mouth for pa say abrochefo nyina dia to make say oba me dem a me wo bottles bebresi yo a che say enkofo a menim wo ebi mo other countries omo se me ntobi mfama ne om na so ebinumu de me de koye yaje some of the countries they would do up DHF for so sa country we dey 18 months and then masan dey besifie na me ba countries ni bi also wo koye asan dey no mo age no mo dey akoma om te abrochefo no mo om no abusua enye easy esan say ye hu say eboa ma immune system no wo ye den pa se be ya infections be e ba osetene mu a eno abehwe timi akon atia ni na ho ato afeyare bi ahinta wo nipadua ne baabi kwa na wa onimu a eno ane se wo no mhimbuze ba me hye na class ayare ni na wa ye free etiamfa ni agro ye kan ni se no pibia kira kwan na be boa pa Kings Walk okọ ehwa a Kings Walk heba Okanshi drug lane bebre na ho betimi so akotubi na so de call baabia Ekus Pharmacy, Widama Pharmacy, Travel Judah Pharmacy, alternative and dependable about shops na fe Health Alert Shop at St. John's. Udu Tema Community 5 for Little George Health Shop. Also ebi on yes our phrase 0243 115 948 and 0246 208 496. Na the obia so no yetimi e de asomo. Ya really say the na chese kwan mu atene. Say yetimi ehwe na yama asase aban akwaba na ye ne omo so ede enkomo ehhehye so utie 106.3 FM Ghana's #1 radio station. All right, so asase aban ma wan akwaba
ye nua
na mo ho te say
nyame adom ye ho ye
I still na mumu gusu look fresh pa ni ade o
that's it
because asase aban no be now no be now but still now no jam na so na ade na hefa na mo kwose mo kan che me hefa na mo kwose
Yanko baby you were around because you took and cry and Cheniaba.
Ah, and Timonia to Grumwaya. Now, Friday, Antimonkai.
On say, yeah, me and San and Bakufi Muneka Emino. Tiaka Emino, no, you release single Red Light featuring Gas Miller. After no only decided, said, you better take care of you and other personal business. I kakra. Nah, ya sound so.
Say, more businessman. Cash no.
Any music name kwa.
Cash na then times no want to me an investment. You say why what da man.
Yeah, look sharp agini.
Wow. That's nice. But Papa Bills, young koyechi way back to then times as I say about now young kaka mouth for kaka. So I remember aduaso go. Yes, I know no matter baby of to crowd here we no show. Shoba. Alright, so wait now it was which year?
2003.
Wow. Says go in a munya was anywhere there hit you baby I cash na munya na more invest no. Wow. Okay. So now you shared those days not music because now must have back. Not music yen ankasa pa not at saying as compared to say
ni die bibia koye internet so bibia koye digital because say no o release a nyuma why flyer na like what posting in nema so at say music no obi person can be na e cover viral in nema so at but yen time na ye share say na entisa those times no near tarry posters. Those times no release here nyuma o produce a posters. Now sometimes cry artists ne cry no to meet taribi. So I say, those times, no, cassette time, no.
Yeah, just say no, na mo de tre, de mo de abani adia.
Say out now, na.
Wow.
Ebi a wo fa, ebi a ko hu obi bi na wa befie. Ya, na mi hu picture wo there. Bibi sa.
I love that.
They say anu bibia sesa. Bibia online.
Yeah.
But we are adjusting to it, and it's nice.
Okay, now, those days instead of now what kind of producer who say on one eye say bibia who pushes cashew and these days in the boys need to be a producer some chrono on TV that one way and their internet so I don't know but even that time it wasn't easy to come by a good producer to produce you.
Not easy.
More time now why and then manage you now one and they produce you.
Time no fortunate. SSR pen meet. Or record label RST Entertainment. Mr. Bright Adase, not
okay.
In Bright to be any media anymore. Then the partner Sasu Cranton, they came together and pushy and first album. That is a just of the album. So respect to Bright Adase wherever you are. One love. I'm
more interested in how I'm breaking because you guys were doing so well back in that's time. I feel who you are not for Sasaban. Meanwhile, Sasaban so then can you just you and TJ.
Because I think say after your first album you call back to school. Until you call back to school, no, you back 2007. 2007, and a young Kasan, so you sick a cry, you want you had to for me, so you're in record label, Hot Boys Entertainment. So what you say, until you Numun and Yamiadom, you had your quick Musa, until you for me, Hot Boys Entertainment, no. Any benya hit to say Nanaya, Ibenya hit to say that benda remix, the feature sa called the 55 and our brothers no. Ibenya hit to say Opesa and red lights na on and on.
Me read that band that you ever Nanaya, but I read that band that remix na. Money more features right and 55
yeah one of our biggest songs
remix enjoy kaka. That's the song right there.
Yo, papi, drop the pose. See how I walk. Give it to the remix. The ladies love this. I'm just feeling this. You know they see me when you know go come. You know they mind me as we get before. See the way you make my dog go long. Who are they see? Why you know they see me when you know go come? You know they mind me as we get before. See the way you make my dog go long. Go crazy. Your love is wicked, dog it you see. Brahma and Fado, Jimmy the inside. Brahma and the answer. Your love is wicked, dog it you see. Brahma and Fado, we kiss it, we hide it, we love it, we touch it, baby go, baby go, baby go. We kiss it, we hide it, we love it, we touch it, baby go. We can't walk, the hard boys is scared to speculate. Open up your faces, don't try to hesitate. This true love story is about to have a break. I'm in a dilemma, I can't face straight up. Just be my Cinderella, make me your umbrella. Laying on my shoulder, I'm not a Casanova. It's the remix, the ladies love this. And I'm about to make it hot so you can feel it. See how fine is the whole club, then we ballin'. 100,000 and nothing, just a piece of chocolate. As I see how my style is set the heat on fire. I know you feeling this, I know you loving this, I know you sharing this, I know you taking this. Oh, see how I drink it over, here some more.
Akoma kwashana from Atobaha, Isatina Pasina Baka, Minina Kamo Matonku, Atubana me Fayam in the folk. So what does it myself see me from Akuma Chema Sasuma, the way they will do Mutata from Anoma and Nakana Meduna, who do a pocket Kurame Yamadi. And you put a doctor to the Kena say, Kano Kimi and Sana that they say, Kalani Philip will give me the Mississippi and the Chemical to no pen and I can't say, when I say I put it in the moment, I'm a Shama Kono, so what I want to know part day. We be the Yasamasa Subu to be the Shaka, what you're about to tell me. Yes, all day, it's for me and your step, one of me door, I need to the vendor, the mama don't want to show me. Yes, all day, it's for me and your step, one of me door, I need to the vendor, the mama don't want to show me.
And Sandy, I said, you says, hey, throwback, Charlie, no easy. But Charlie, that times, what we do. And Satan, I want for your Juma then times, no, because Satan now show more than Bonnie. I don't know. Well, sir, you call shots, and I your face, you are like Twasso. But young check. The kind of people are money a year Juma. I mean, those days more shots here, banana, mobile now, sooner, no, if for Sanoma money year Juma.
As an other artist,
yeah.
Yane Sako ye Juma, Yane 55 ye Juma, Yane Brothers ye Juma, Yane Kinaiso by ye Juma, Yane Castro ye Juma.
Yeah.
Yani screw face in Suye Juma.
And I said, Juma, no more Juma now. We are Juma now, Pana. Most I am, we is I. But it's good, sir. My son, Abba back. Now, what can I say? More breaky, more Madrid say individually, mobile share, money, Maka, Karama, sort of name. But at what point I'm saying realizes Charlie said I didn't know we need to come back together now. So I say about your message beam.
I'm fans so. I'm fans because still now omni communicate nenema omu DM and nenema so at here and some of the musicians and so obiti say 55 papi or madam.
Now what's the relationship between because the last time I met you guys, link let's say.
Once it's beyond music. Like so we are always together. But when so be our group, but they be and I'm in a papi release the first warm-up single from the EP breakups and also promote here so I say a video in the crowd out.
I mean we are like family or something.
So we are like family actually in music together.
Wow. Okay, so now you share those days as I said because now we are three.
Three.
The third person, I say
Walker.
But I say many journey him. But it will come. Okay, so ono hesitate no. Ena mumutu no a hold you forth nana. I feel the most more yes and but now without him na mumienu ma babaki. Mo say muzu say betimi akono say the mo expect say be kono pepepe
nyame adum be kono sa pepepe because we in fit group name with Intokwa na CBB 2014 we decided say obejai music so at yes
so no about like he just decides I don't want to do music again
because I music now me sure say be a person taking care of the other person.
So where is he now?
Our Iroba wa down. Or no Iroba.
And now they just a new one some fun
businessman.
Recently or pass by. You know, you go so vibe.
So vibe or supporting or advising you himself still now on the spirit nita each. Anytime you are ready so be music be there. Why not?
Charlie, me feel it. You know, powder mummy and son koya china. You for about we say tune na. I mean, it's bringing memories near there. So I say, Charlie, what kind of way? Logoligi.
Ligi logo, bo, logo ligi, boko ligi. So I bebe udia aka koko shit. Mushe seni bi mami di ma dance here. Egasi aye we you be ane na kono dia. Oko we seni bi akono dia ni fourth shot. Rasta man so akono dia ni one pop. Shebo bi ane ni say saje ko ti wo have sen. Yes say sem no say abro yes. Asem no pop so afi na mi baby so. Metinit ni mo eye new say kuni. Logo ligi dia mami gela to me plum. Mi jere sana mi jimi na betse. Eya na ya ni de sikli set. Ono no kan yo what you pass me pep. Cute logo won't pay way now bed then. It buy to Bronica Carrere. Logo ligi me be drama sing to con. Break me can just na kuma it. Okabo, it's shameful. Okanya come she still like grateful. Stop logo ligi people from la one more. If one more let doko ngomo get me share. Enum jahi ne yo ba bi mi che fidie. No go count no what him at say yes to me die. Asasi ya ba na ni e be die sie. To me cabra be buko to dey. Apa we yes ye go we bring my wo be say. And my yet see me the di afi. Logo ligi don't go there in the be. The pump I let me check Kakamoto B. Yaba yen sija ye kon high tech. Logo ligi, ligi logo, bo. Logo ligi, boko ligi. Oh, logo ligi, yes, I can be a come.
Now man for the tree, man for. Anyways, yeah. My Juma. Okay, so see here, Maba back, you know. I believe say more than 4 but now so far no send this year quite far and are you guys doing your own thing and as you say more under new management be monya record label fufu be one as you say or share more there.
Oh yeah, in 2007 and I forming Hot Boys Entertainment. So I say hey still now Hot Boys Entertainment na handle BBR my young kasaya wo in team members so what you say kakra ye dey famous
oh okay it currently enum the arena mo promote
Mijo let's go
mo kan ho asem chen kakra
Mijo ever kasa that's ever kasa say yanko unse now this young Casano, anye good year.
Yeah.
You know, a whole lot of, bad stuff say hate a year, no. Inti a man for actually shady match. A man for a depressed or ache. Inti we decided say the Jumbia at least otia ebe Kenya ebe mo original na so asa.
Yeah.
And inti you choose Major free archives in him. Yeah.
What can say much film workers in the more name a good
still you're recording
more name a good baby
still you're recording in drag and require studio still you're recording
okay so normally say I'm out for equatim a chessana I am come back no a home some a dos 1 year Obeba back on so now how you expect say ye be sign ajuwa tu no entimi akwa ankoba nsa anye bia no motimi aye checks ni ye hu say be ya ye be there with this film you crying be ko ye na say I mean grounds not to say
me depends we be sa question we because the way media bloggers Charlie the way almost show you in love no obi we chia obedwin say bia yenya politician bi pa or tie inchi but Charlie odonkwa Jerry share the way I buy you be hu ni papa bills the way Charlie moji yen man stress and cry any e wa high kasi media na show yen laugh because ye bought interviews back to back I see baby Asasia by CC and it's all love me sure say because of the way Asasia by over the years no ye ni media for ni ye fine ye buo ma ye ni obi any problem no aboa yen pa nti I see Bia Yako TV station, baby, I'll be a person boy and it's something that we are really grateful for. And here, the opportunity we bet that Jerry Justice, I say, Papa Bills, I do my FM phone, the way my boy and mu pushing and him say so no more na mu be push am na hit.
Okay.
Because more show you and laugh.
Ma can say the mention me the back on say. With all the lava being shown to you guys, now need just some back because I mean some messages that I'm receiving I'm off with TT way back then. I mean people are happy. Sa or the way in there, you know. Say ma and no na mo smo de ba no. I reflect what we say na mo ye biara komini biara Ghana for e mo don te kwode ado maso be hwe okumu o
see ya ni
maso be ye shibruta e ase kutimi de good works braga e magana for pa nya sa de ado
failure so me say asa ye failure mo da
all right
back to back
okay so ye be hwe na yetie the new one na mode abano
Mijo.
Okay, let's go. Okay, so before I beat here, no, still now I'm say 2007. Wait, last one.
Okay,
last one.
No problem.
You are better new one here. That's what I say. Who mama say 2007? No more there. How time no more there? Nanaya. I'm on fire off with your move. Oh man. Time call. I know the baby. But your friends here now. You measure the new one. No.
Let's go.
Mijo. Na yinti nafi ye wrap up.
I'm in the mood tonight. Yes, I'm in the mood tonight. Share my time with you. So bad no call no me. Say my time in you. Ghana. Kali heavy, she be pretty. My 10-15, 92 minyana do. But so is it so much to see your penny chili. Matite for my far boys to go. But I don't go feel ball for so ready me too. And you may piano see for me babangi. That was the way you bar, see me waha. Ha, same place yes, you give me DJ. With the DJ, put we on the replay. Where your boyfriend doggy on the B-day. Holla back, yo, I go be your baby. Same place yes, you give me DJ. With the DJ, put we on the replay. Where your boyfriend doggy on the B-day. Holla back, yo, I go be your baby. Baby, baby, baby. Me Joe, ay, ay, me Joe, va me Joe, la, me Joe, Brian Carter, me Joe, ay, ay, me Joe. How you like no, you left for sure me, oblige you, time you me. How you like no, you left for sure me, oblige you, time you me.
So that's the new one from Asasia Band. Mijo.
Let's go.
Yeah. To no tight now to twa this anafi. What's your language now? I don't know. All right, so I guess it's everywhere, right?
It's everywhere. It's everywhere.
And what of video?
Video is everywhere. It's yeah drop here is like
a week now.
And a YouTube cry you hit it 10K see.
Wow.
Your new channel. Inti any Japan, yeah, fans normal loyal to us, pa. Inti a person, phone nyina mon subscribe Asasia ban YouTube.
Okay.
Mon subscribe na, mon comment na, mon like it.
All right.
I'm push brand.
All right.
That's right.
So on YouTube it's Asasia Bang.
Asasia Bang.
And
and Instagram is Asasia Bang official.
Okay.
Twitter is Asasia Bang official. And Facebook is Asasia Bang.
All right. Charlie, you better want to say mobile, you know.
Yes,
Say them big kaka, no. The love that's been shown to you guys, no. Momane nyakwa na munyina so fanya adwuma no so ate
ye be adwuma
monye adwuma ni yi so ate ase na bibia so atimi afa edam ase so we there for you
anytime Adom FM family
all right abusuanti asasa ba na eti omonka no they are back yo e dey say mijo na eko ti ba bia befa bia no eye mijo. And I have a couple of dedications. I'm out for the birthdays, pa. We'll find time and then roll them all out for you guys. Before that, me patrol